I'm going to get started creating an app that stores data in Backblaze B2. First, I'll create a bucket to hold my data. I'll call it Quick Start App. And I'll keep my data private to me. Now I need an application key so my app can authenticate to Backblaze. I'm going to call it Quick Start Key. I'm going to allow it read and write access to all of my buckets. Now I can start writing code. I'll start by writing a simple Python application using the Boto 3 open source S3 library. First, I need to create an S3 client object. I'm going to have the client load its credentials from a .env file specific to this project. The .env file contains values for the two environment variables that the library will use. AWS Access Key ID, I just set to the key ID I just created. And then I need to set AWS Secret Access Key to the application key itself. I need to give the client a custom endpoint since it's working with Backblaze B2. I just copy this value from the bucket. And then I can pass it to the S3 client constructor. The simplest operation I can do is to list the buckets in my B2 account. I'll pretty print the response. Now I'm ready to run my app. Great, I've got output. I can see the bucket I just created in my list of buckets. Let's just print out the names of the buckets. Now I just have the information I wanted to see. Let's put an object in B2. I'll define some constants. I'll set the content of the object to the traditional greeting of the programmer. Now Boto 3 wants the body as bytes, so I have to use the encode function. There's no output this time from the app, but I can see the object it created in the B2 web console. Now I'll try getting the object from B2. B2 gives us a stream of bytes in the response, so we have to read that and then decode it into a string. My app will print the bucket name, object name, and the content of the object. Success! I used the S3 client from the Boto 3 Python module to read and write data to Backblaze B2.